Hi, I'm Deb Smucker, factory representative for the Luxe Fifth Wheels, and we have an opportunity today to get into a coach that belonged to the Van Acres. They're picking it up, and this is actually our original floor plan, the 39FB. So it was designed, it was the first one designed to have a bath and a half. So it has a front bath and a bath in the middle of the coach. But we did some alterations on this one that I wanted you to see because some people want some different things done, and we did quite a bit to this one for a couple that doesn't need a half bath downstairs. And so I want to show you some of it, and a lot of it starts over here. If you notice, we moved their refrigerator from the center of the slide, which it used to be right here, to the end of the slide, which gave them this big open space. And they also moved their stove from the front wall, because if you remember, one of the signature features of the 39FB was that tiled wall that went all the way up with the range hood. And what she chose to do is to make this really unique feature of a hutch. And we have big deep drawers here that gave them a lot of storage. And we also centered them so she has two side cabinets. And on this one, she did like pull out spice drawers, and that can be done on this because we altered like where the stove went and made it equal on both sides. She also did tall cabinets on the top that have a shelf in them so that she can put her dinnerware or food pantry stuff inside that. She's using this as a workspace, a coffee nook. We also took out the side window. So if you're noticing things, the reason we can bring this all the way down is we took out the side window. And then we also added two outlets to the side. So she had outlets down here, and I think there's still those, yes, that are up there. So it gave her a great working space as well. When you come over this way, then she brought the 24-inch range. The pantry would have been right here. And you know, we split the pantry a lot to give you more space even when it's down on the end of it. But by splitting it here, it now makes this wide open going clear across. They also took out the TV with the swing arm that has the TV that swings out so you can see it with the storage behind it. And we did the televator. They also, instead of having wood on the top, we took solid surface all the way across. So you get this big open feel here, and obviously add the window at this end of the coach, which kind of makes up for the one that we took out on the other side. So we wanted you to see this part of it, and then the rest of it on the side is the same. Your island is the same. She chose to do beachfront throughout. She did an accent island with the countertops, the standard sink. The other big feature she did, that they did, was one in the half bath. So when you come into the half bath, we turned it into a walk-in pantry. So some people will turn this into a laundry room, and we do a double vanity up in the front, but this is a walk-in pantry. So she made a broom closet that also has hook inside for jackets. A lot of people will also set a small shoe rack in here to put shoes. And this is her pantry. And we're actually sending an additional drawer. We're going to move a tray up. She's going to add a third big deep pull-out drawer. But this just gives you amazing storage. Storage up on the top that's great for like bedding or stacked clothes or towels or things that you want to keep up there that you don't use all the time. But you get a tremendous amount of storage here for like appliances. That's why she liked the tray. We were talking about she likes the trays because it's a great place to set appliances like your Instapots and your blenders and your coffee pots when you move, your toasters. So we wanted you to see this, and like I said, this kind of turns in. Also, if you notice, oh, I didn't want to show you, we missed it, but the new coaches have the soft closed doors, not just the drawers. And that's on all the new coaches. So we wanted to point that out to you as well. We wanted to give you the opportunity to see an original floor plan that has been altered. So if you like this, you can talk to your rep. There's a couple different ways we can do the half bath. Remember that the only bathroom then is the one up in the front. You walk through the bedroom, but for most of our clients that is just a couple, that's good for them. They're happy with that. and it gives them more storage space. So we just wanted you to have the opportunity to see this coach. It's absolutely stunning. They've done a beautiful job with it. They're getting ready to head home and enjoy it, and they gave us the opportunity to show you the alterations that they made. Let us know what you think. Give your rep a call.